Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And in today's video we will learn about how to configure the front panel of DSE 710. Here you can see our controller. Today is a DSE 710 controller. Okay, so today we will learn how we can configure, how we can get the any code is coming here in this panel. Here first of all I let you know, if the engine or generator suddenly shut down and you came on this generator and you want to visit it and you want to know why this genset is suddenly shut down. So how you can check, because you can see this engine was suddenly shut down, but we don't know any errors here. Okay, so how we can check logged event or logged error code? So you have to press this button little long, up to 5 to 6 seconds. So you can see now this error code is coming. This is showing that over voltage. Okay, so in this way you can check, and how many even codes are, you press this button. So you have to press this button. After you can check one by one. This is the first one. This is second one, also second time is also come this one. Third is also same. So 7 code is over current. Okay, again over voltage, again over current, over voltage, over current. So this is emergency. This is a slow engine speed. So in this way you can check the logged event. Okay, again press it, so you will come out that screen. So now I will show you how we can configure the parameters like over voltage, over current, any parameter which you can want to change. So you can change. So whatever to do, you press this stop button and this arrow button simultaneously. I will press it. So this screen is appeared. Here are the two columns. First column will show the parameter, okay, and this will show the values. Like this parameter is 0, mean engine start delay, and when you press this start button, so after 5 seconds, this is 5 seconds, after 5 seconds the engine will start. So this 0 mean showing the engine delay. So when this screen is appeared, so what you have to do, you come down, here is this minus and this plus. When you press this button and you press plus, so 0 after it's come next. This is a next parameter. By using the manual, we can check what is the meaning of 1. Okay, like the meaning of, I will write on the screen. You have to read on the screen what is the meaning of 1. This one is a list of the parameters from 0 to 25. So you can stop video here and check all the parameter from 0 to 25. There are also up to 35, but I uploaded up to the 25. You also can download this video and you can read all the parameters which are written there. 2, this is a value, this is parameter number 2. I press it again. 3, parameter number 3. 4, 5. So what is the meaning of 5? Parameter 5. This is a value. So in this way you can check parameters. This is mean over voltage. Okay, this time how much voltage? 216. If voltages go up to 15, 142, engine will shut down. This is a parameter for over voltage. This is a mean current, over current. Okay, 60 mean over current. This is a parameter 116%. If the current, your current will go above this parameters, your engine will shut down. So viewers, up to now we have learned how to check the parameter. Now I will teach you how we can change the value of the parameter. When we select this button, auto button, press the auto button. Okay, here you can see here are the arrows. Okay, up and down arrows will here flashing. It means you can change the value of the parameters. So in this way we can change the parameter. So how we will change the parameter? Plus or minus, press the minus or plus button, so we can change the value of the parameter. Once you change the value, and after changing the value you press again this auto button, so this arrow sign will disappeared and your value, this value is now has stored in the now is 7 seconds. After 7 seconds our engine will start. So I don't want to change it, so what I have to do, I put back the same value is here. Okay, so I select this one. So in this way you can select the value of data parameter. So viewers, I hope you understand how you can retrieve the logged event or logged error code, and how you can check all the parameters one by one, and also you understand how to change these value of data parameter. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.